In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your button design in Squarespace 7.1. We'll start with the quickest, most reliable method, editing buttons through site styles. Once you're logged in, open the home menu and head to Design, then Site Styles. Depending on your template, you may see a dedicated buttons section. Here you'll find 3 button types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Think of these like a visual hierarchy. Primary is for your most important calls to action. Secondary supports it, and tertiary is the subtle option for less prominent links. Select each one and fine-tune the details. Update the font to match your brand, adjust size and weight for readability, and tweak letter spacing if your typography needs breathing room. Change the corner radius to get that rounded or square look, and use padding to control how roomy the button feels. Set text and background colors with strong contrast for accessibility, and add or remove borders for emphasis. Don't forget hover effects. Subtle color shifts or opacity changes make interactions feel polished. Use the preview to compare styles across different sections and pages before you commit. If you need to adjust a single button on a page, open the page, click Edit, hover over a button block, and select the pencil icon. Under the Design tab, you can choose the size, small, medium, or large, and decide whether it uses the primary, secondary, or tertiary style. This is a quick way to change the type of button used in that spot, but remember, its full design still follows your site styles. That consistency keeps your site cohesive. For more advanced control, use Custom CSS. Go to Design, then Custom CSS, and add your rules. This is great for fine-grained tweaks, like unique hover treatments, or distinct styles in special sections. Keep your CSS scoped and organized, and preview as you go to avoid conflicts. Small, targeted changes are best. Be sure to save your changes. If you're targeting specific buttons by section or page, you can use the page ID. Inspect the button in your browser's developer tools to find the ID and reference it in your CSS so your styles apply exactly where you intend. For spacing and alignment, open the page editor and use spacer blocks or layout controls to position buttons precisely. This helps with centering, stacking buttons, or creating balanced white space around them. Finally, check the mobile editor preview. Buttons should be legible, easy to tap, and properly aligned on smaller screens. That's it. Clean, consistent buttons, tailored to your brand and ready for every device.